I want you to meet three women, Veronica, Nina, and Tiffany. Now, each of them took the first steps towards extreme weight loss for a different reason. After gaining 100 pounds, Tiffany's weight peaked at 250 pounds. She was tired of being what she called herself, which was the fat wife with the skinny husband. At 320 pounds, Nina had a fear of weight loss surgery, and it put her in a weight loss crossroad. And at 457 pounds, Veronica received a fourth-generation diabetes diagnosis and needed to lose weight to save her life. Now, all three of these women are here today to show you exactly what they ate to become half their size. And we're gonna start off with Veronica, who lost 267 pounds. Come on out. Wonderful.
Thank you.
I mean, you really do.
Thank you. I feel amazing.
Well, describe that. I mean, you should.
I feel like $1 million. If $1 million could feel like me in a red dress right now.
Losing half your body weight. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's totally cool.
So I did something. I got you a little model over here. Come over here. I want you to see a representation.
Oh, God.
Of the fat. And here it is.
Oh, God.
And you're welcome to touch it and caress it, but you got rid of this. So what does it feel like to realize that you got rid of this?
It's disgusting. I can't even believe that this was on my body at some point. And I hope that it's never there ever again.
So here's the question. What exactly did Veronica eat to lose 267 pounds? Well, she kept a food diary to show you exactly how she did it.
Who says you can't still enjoy breakfast classics? A protein bar is a good way to help you fill up and satisfy that sweet tooth. This is a healthy option that's really easy to put together. It amazes me that something so good can also be so good for you. Pork can be a really good source of protein if you get a nice lean cut.
Very well done, Veronica. So what was your overall strategy for losing that much weight?
My first strategy was just to get up and get started. And what I did was I started simply, and I advise anyone, do what you can. I started cutting out sodas, and I ate less at every meal. That was my main strategy at first. And once I started doing that and developing those healthier patterns, it became easier. And not only did it become easier, but I wanted to do more. I wanted to exercise, and I began. Thank you.
Well, let's speak about that a little bit. You had that purple dress that we actually have over there in that banner of you.
Yes.
That dress apparently played a little bit of role in this whole process, including the exercise you mentioned.
Yes. I wore that dress pretty much every day because it was really the only thing that I could fit. I didn't want to invest a whole lot of money in super fat clothes. And when it came time to start working out and going to the gym, of course, when you want to go to the gym, you want to look good and you want to wear something comfortable, but I didn't have anything like that. I had that purple dress, so that's what I wore. And I did not let that become a determining factor to stop me from achieving the goals that I wanted to do.
So what happened to the purple dress?
I finally got rid of it. I think I kept it for, I don't know what reason, I guess to remind myself where I was, but I finally destroyed it because I just never wanted to get back in that dress ever again.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.